fate with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going.
Y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Rosabeauty Hair. Shout out to you, Rosabeauty, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is there. Okay, so the wig that I'm rocking is there. It's a body wave unit. I don't see a name on here for this particular unit. So they have, okay, yes I do. It says 250% density, 13x6, 13x4, HD transparent body wave lace front wig, human hair, Brazilian 30, 40, 42 inch, 360 lace frontal wigs for women. Okay, that was a mouthful. Okay, so you can get this unit in a 13x4, 13x6, or 360. It looks like the densities that are available, they have it available in 180% density and a 250% density. Now, they saw, and it says that this unit is 180% density. To me, it gives 150. Okay, y'all can let me know what you think down below, but to me I feel like it feels like 150% density, but it says 180. So I'm wondering, if you do get the 250, will that feel more like 180? I don't know, but it is an extremely affordable wig, girl. Okay. So and the lengths that they have available is from 8 inches all the way to 44 inches. Now I do want to go ahead and say they said that this unit is 30 inches. It's not giving 30 inches to me. Maybe 26 inches. I don't know, but it's not giving 30 to me. Maybe that's a stretch length. I don't know. Y'all can comment down below. Tell me what density you think this is giving to y'all, and tell me what length you think is giving. Okay, but that's what they have on here, so that we're gonna go with, honey. So that's what you're gonna see on the side, because that's what they said, and I'm gonna put what they said it is. Okay, now it is transparent lace. I feel like this lace really melted. Well, before I put my makeup on. I feel like this lace really melted. I do feel like it is transparent lace. The knots are not bleached at all. I decided not to bleach my knots because I wanted to use that tinted lace mousse that I have, that you can also get from Shein, child. I decided to use that mousse instead, just to kind of see how I liked it. And I liked the mousse, but you can still pretty much see the knots. But I think the mousse does good. And so if you are not somebody that likes to bleach, and you know, you ain't a bleach type girl, get you some tinted mousse, or get you some of that Ruby Kisses powder, honey, and use that and call it a day, honey. I get it. Everybody like, you ain't got time to be bleaching hair. I get it, girl, because it's time consuming. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any straddle packaging. It was a body wave unit. I really did not expect to, and I didn't. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. The lace, like, I had to cut off quite a bit of lace, and I did have to adjust the straps, and I did have to use the elastic band. So in my opinion, whenever I have to do any of the extras, I say a unit is big head friendly. Now I only have the head that's on my shoulder, and I am an average cap size, so do what you want to do with that, girl. Okay, do what you want to do with that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well, a full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is gonna be the fact that it says that it is 180% density and that it's 30 inches long, and in my opinion it is not. So not that is a bad thing if it is 150% density and 26 inches, but it's a con because if you're buying it and you're expecting to get that and it ain't giving that, then that's an issue. Once again though, it's super affordable, but that is gonna have to be my personal con. My pros is, honey, it's super affordable. Literally, they have on here, they're having a sale. The sale is going to be from March 18th to March 27th. And you can use the code RB20 and you get an extra percentage off. But even when I went on there and clicked the unit, and right now before the sale, because today is the 14th. So I went on there, I clicked on it before the sale, it's only $120, girl. Okay. $120. Okay, so that is like the biggest ultimate pro. Also, I love that it's transparent lace. I love that I have plenty of parting space because it is a 13x6, and you guys know them 13x4s be getting on my nerves. So I have plenty of parting space. I like that as well. I love the texture. I love the price. Okay, let's just keep it a whole book. I love the price. So that is gonna be my pro. Yes, I would recommend this unit, just really based off the strength that it's affordable, honey. Times is hard. Times is hard these days. So just on that, plus it's a cute unit for the price. You cannot beat the price, and it's a cute unit. So yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, so let me go ahead and give you guys this 436 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Rosabeauty, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, as well as that coupon code, girl. As well as that coupon code. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love folks next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style.